Hi, Mike. How are you?
Hi, Emily. I'm doing great. How about you?
I'm fine, thank you. What are you doing?
I'm at home. I'm a little busy today.
Really? Why are you so busy?
I can't tell you right now.
That's strange. Are you hiding something?
Maybe.
Come on, Mike. Tell me.
No, it's a secret.
I don't like secrets.
Don't worry. You'll know very soon.
Now I'm curious.
Good. Stay curious.
Is everything okay?
Yes, everything is perfect.
Then why are you smiling?
Because tomorrow is a special day.
Tomorrow?
Yes.
Oh, wait a minute.
What happened?
Tomorrow is my birthday.
Exactly.
I almost forgot.
I never forget your birthday.
That's so sweet.
You deserve a wonderful birthday.
Thank you, Mike.
Do you have any plans?
Not really.
That's good.
Why?
Because I have already made a plan.
Really?
Yes, but it's a surprise.
Another secret?
Yes.
Can you give me a small clue?
Okay. It starts in the morning.
Will we go somewhere?
Maybe.
That's not a clue.
Haha, I know.
Please tell me more.
I can't.
You're making me more excited.
That's my plan.
Should I wear something special?
Yes, wear your favorite dress.
The blue one?
Perfect.
What time should I be ready?
Be ready at 9 a.m.
Will you pick me up?
Yes, I'll be at your house at 9 o'clock sharp.
I'll be ready.
Great.
Are we going to a restaurant?
Maybe.
Are we going shopping?
Maybe.
Are we going to the beach?
Nice guess.
You're impossible.
That's why surprises are fun.
I suppose you're right.
After I pick you up, we'll have breakfast together.
I love breakfast dates.
I know. That's why I planned one.
What will we eat?
Pancakes, eggs, fresh fruit, and coffee.
Yum! That sounds delicious.
After breakfast, we'll visit a beautiful place.
Can I take pictures?
Of course, bring your phone.
I'll also bring my camera.
Great idea.
Should I invite my friends?
Not in the morning,
Why not?
because I have another surprise in the evening.
There's more?
Yes,
Now I'm really excited.
good.
What happens in the evening?
I can't tell you.
Just one little hint.
Okay, there will be balloons.
Balloons?
Yes,
And cake?
definitely.
Chocolate cake?
Your favorite chocolate cake.
You're the best boyfriend.
Thank you.
Will there be music?
Yes, your favorite songs will be playing.
That sounds wonderful.
Your family and close friends will also be there.
Really?
Yes, everyone is excited to celebrate with you.
I can't believe you planned all this.
You deserve a happy birthday.
Thank you so much.
I also bought you a birthday gift.
Really? What is it?
Nice try.
Please tell me.
No, you'll open it tomorrow.
Is it big?
Not very big.
Is it something I can wear?
Maybe.
Is it jewelry?
You'll find out tomorrow.
You're good at keeping secrets.
I learned from the best.
Haha, very funny.
I hope this birthday becomes one of your happiest memories.
I'm sure it will.
Seeing you smile is the best gift for me.
That's so kind of you.
Promise me one thing.
What is it?
Tomorrow, don't worry about anything.
I promise.
Just enjoy your special day.
I will.
And don't forget to make a birthday wish before you blow out the candles.
I won't forget.
Good.
Thank you for making me feel so special.
You are very special to me.
I can't wait for tomorrow.
Me neither.
I'll see you at 9 o'clock in the morning.
I'll be there on time.
Have a good night, Mike.
You too, Emily.
Bye.
Goodbye, Emily. Happy birthday in advance.